Welcome to 1815 Fairport Road, number 21, a stunning 4+2 bedroom executive home with 5 washrooms, situated within a prestigious enclave of Pickering's sought-after Dunbarton community. Updated with a stone front walkway, terrace, steps, porch floor, and garden bed, and showcasing over 3,000 square feet of interior living space, plus a fully finished lower level. This home opens into a tiled reception area where a gorgeous oak staircase spirals gracefully to the upper level under the glow of an exquisite triple-sphere raindrop chandelier. The reception area has a wall niche with built-in shelves, cabinets, accent lighting, and a bench seat, and the rich warmth of dark hardwood flooring is showcased throughout the hallway, as well as the elegant entertaining spaces of the living, dining, and family rooms. Both the living and dining rooms have coffered ceilings with pot lighting, the dining room illuminated by a modern wave raindrop chandelier and having 2 entries off the hallway, one which is graced with decor columns. Above the living room is a modern metal and crystal light fixture, this space also having wall niches with built-in cabinets and display ledges, and sharing the warmth of a double-sided gas fireplace with the family room, both mantels accented with stone. Multiple windows along the south walls allow the family room and kitchen to be bathed in abundant natural light, and bringing additional brightness to the family room is a contemporary pendant light fixture and accent pot lighting. While surrounding the fireplace is a built-in media cabinet with glass-paneled upper doors and interior accent lighting. Blending traditional and modern design elements while exuding a warm and welcoming atmosphere, the upgraded kitchen showcases dark-stained wood cabinetry with a huge pantry area, glass-paneled upper accent doors, crown moldings, valance lighting, as well as soft-closing hardware. Stainless steel appliances include a gas range, range hood, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a French door fridge. Complementing the appliances and cabinetry are mosaic tiled backsplashes, the tiled flooring, and creamy colored stone counters. And the island has raised bar seating with pendant lighting, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink. The breakfast area is also illuminated by pendant lighting, this space having a garden door walkout to the backyard, which is fully fenced and has a storage shed, garden beds, and a large deck for outdoor entertaining. Almost all the main level windows have light diffusing shades, while off the main hall is a sunken side hall with tiled flooring, and where you find access to the double-car garage, a powder room with an updated vanity, a niche with upper storage cabinets, and the additional storage space of a coat closet that complements the 2 coat closets located on either side of the front entry doors in the foyer. The foyer also updated with a modern flush mount raindrop light fixture. The spiral staircase to the upper level is finished with a hardwood and wrought iron railing and has a zebra blind on its window. The upper level showcasing 4 bedrooms, all with ensuite or semi-ensuite washrooms, a laundry room and a large linen closet, light diffusing blinds on most of the windows, and a hallway loft that has an oversized arched window with a vaulted ceiling above, as well as a modern pendant light fixture. This level also showcases hardwood flooring throughout, the hardwood flooring in the bedrooms, a recent upgrade. Across from the staircase landing is the 4th bedroom, which has a walk-in closet and a raised ceiling above an arched window with a window seat and storage cubbies. This bedroom shares with the 3rd bedroom access to a 5-piece Jack and Jill washroom, which features tiled finishes, a vanity with double basins and a quartz counter, and a water closet that includes the bath and shower area. The 3rd bedroom itself having a double closet. The laundry room has a tiled floor, cabinetry storage, and a front-load washer and dryer. And next to it is the 2nd bedroom. which has ample closet storage, as well as a 3-piece ensuite washroom with tiled finishes, a shower area with glass door, and a vanity with a quartz counter. Through a double-door entry is the bright and generously sized master suite. Enjoying a south-facing exposure, this bedroom has a deep tray ceiling, space for a sitting area, and a large walk-in closet, while its relaxing spa-like 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes throughout, a jacuzzi tub, a separate glass shower area, as well as a vanity with a stone counter, undermount basins, and upgraded lighting. The fully finished and recently updated lower level has its own separate entrance and not only brings exceptional added living space to the home, but has been redesigned for use as a self-contained 2-bedroom apartment. Featuring high-quality laminate flooring throughout much of its space, brightened with pot lighting, and having upgraded basement windows, the lower level also features a cold room finished with vinyl plank flooring and storage shelves, storage under the staircase, a front-load washer and dryer, and a 3-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes, a glass shower, and a space-saving vanity. The 2 bedrooms are quite spacious and have ample closet storage. The large recreation area is ideal as a combined home theater and family room. And completing this level is an eat-in kitchen with luxury vinyl flooring, great cabinetry storage, and a mosaic tiled backsplash. Close to parks, shopping plazas along Kingston Road, as well as elementary and secondary schools, including highly rated William Dunbar Public School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.